Music serves learning. Music serves knowledge. Music serves education. Grapie Academy.
Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Everyone different, why? Let me state.
All humans unique, you see. Diversity for you and me. Every person different is no two exactly his or his. Different looks, thoughts, ways.
Diversity every day.
Tall, short, every size.
Colors vary,
No lies.
different strengths and skills to share.
Diversity.
Beyond compare.
Different people, we all are. Diversity, near and far.
Unique you, unique me.
Diversity,
You can see.
respect differences all around.
Diversity.
The sound.
Different talents can do anything.
Artist, athlete, musician, sing.
Different thoughts bring new ideas.
Diversity panaceas.
Even twins have small differences.
Diversity has no fences.
World is richer for diversity.
Different is the best key.
You are unique.
Beautiful,
Diversity.
dutiful.
Different people, we all are. Diversity, near and far.
Unique you, unique me.
Diversity,
You can see.
respect differences all around.
Diversity.
The sound.
Now you know everyone different.
Beautiful, no amendment.
Unique thoughts, looks, and ways.
Diversity.
For all the days.
Concord out.
Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Skin colors.
Why? Let me state.
Different skin tones beautifully.
Diversity. Naturally. Melanin in skin makes tone. Everyone has
Grown,
more melanin, skin darker, less lighter marker. Where ancestors lived affects skin.
Sunny places.
Dark skin win.
Protection from strong UV.
Skin adaptation, see.
skin colors also rich.
Different tones,
Every stitch
from fairest to darkest brown. Beautiful skin,
all around.
Human family.
all one race.
Skin tone just.
One face, all human, same species, strong.
Different skin tones.
Along,
Scientifically one race.
skin tone, just a visible face.
Beautiful in every shade.
Human diversity made.
Respect all skin tones equal.
Diversity is key sequel.
You are beautiful in your skin.
Diversity within.
Skin colors also rich.
Different tones, every stitch.
From fairest to darkest brown.
Beautiful skin all around.
Human family.
All one race,
Skin tone just.
one face. Now you know skin varies.
Melanin, the variables.
Different tones,
All human one.
skin diversity.
Fun.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Languages, how? Let me state.
Thousands exist on Earth, world's language of great worth. Over 7,000 languages spoken, through the world never broken.
Mandarin, most native speakers. English, most global teachers.
Spanish, Hindi, Arabic, Russian, all big world discussions.
Every language beautiful.
Each one so dutiful.
Languages many, worldwide. 7,000 side by side.
Mandarin, English, Hindi, true.
Languages for you.
Each language has cultural gems.
Language celebrates them.
Some languages very old.
Chinese, told.
Others new like Esperanto.
Languages, every manto.
Sign languages using hands.
Deaf community stands.
Every language equal value.
Culture embeds you.
You can learn another too.
Languages open you.
Languages many, worldwide, 7,000 side by side.
Mandarin, English, Hindi, true.
Languages for you.
Each language has cultural gems.
Language celebrates them.
Now you know languages.
7,000 stages.
Each one beautiful and true.
Languages for me and you.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord History Grape. Different beliefs, why? Let me state. Religions differ all around. Diversity beliefs are found. Christianity followers most. Jesus Christ the host. Islam, Muslims pray 5 times. Arabic prayer chimes. Hinduism many gods honor. Ganesha, Vishnu
Respected proper.
Buddhism, Buddha teaches peace. Meditation releases.
Different beliefs, religions true. Respect for me and you.
Christian, Muslim, Hindu, Jew, Buddhist, Sikh, beliefs view.
Respect, diverse, faith strong. Religion, answers belong. Judaism, ancient faith. Torah teaches grace. Sikhism, one God respect. 5Ks they protect. Some don't believe in gods. Atheism's diff rods. All have right to believe what they choose to achieve. You respect different beliefs. Diversity gives reliefs.
Different beliefs, religions true. Respect for me and you.
Christian, Muslim, Hindu, Jew, Buddhist, Sikh, beliefs view.
Respect, diverse, faith strong. Religion, answers belong. Now you know faith varies.
Different religions carry.
Respect all.
Key to peace.
Diversity.
It increase.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Different abilities, how? Let me state.
Everyone has special skill. Diversity, fulfill. Some can't see, use braille. Dots feel,
Not fail.
some can't hear, use sign.
Sign language fine.
Wheelchairs help some move, ramps help.
It's the groove.
Different abilities exist.
Diversity, no resist.
Different abilities all around.
Different skills can be found.
Blind, deaf, wheelchair, autism, all of us a prism.
Unique strengths everyone has.
Abilities,
What a class.
Helen Keller, blind and deaf.
Change the world.
What a rep.
Stephen Hawking used wheelchair.
Brilliant physicist everywhere.
Respect everyone's ability.
Kindness is the facility.
Include everyone in play.
Diversity,
The way.
you can include all friends.
Abilities have no ends.
Different abilities all around.
Different skills can be found.
Blind, deaf, wheelchair, autism, all of us a prism.
Unique strengths everyone has.
Abilities,
What a class.
now you know abilities vary.
Respect all.
Never tarry.
Different skills make world rich.
Diversity, every niche.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Family forms
Why? Let me state.
many kinds of family.
Love, the commonality. Some kids have a mom and dad. Others,
One parent, not bad.
some Some have two moms or two dads. Love defines the family, lads.
Grandparents raising kids,
Extended families, bids.
foster and adopted children,
Family bonds,
unshriveling.
Family, many forms of love. Love defines from above.
two parents, one grandparents.
Family, all equal parents.
Love is what connects us all.
Family answers the call.
Blended families,
Step-parents,
step siblings.
no grievance.
Chosen family, friends so close.
Like family, diagnose.
Siblings share household true.
Different kids,
Family crew. LGBTQ plus families valid.
love the same.
Never invalid.
You have family,
Unique kind.
love connects.
Never blind.
Family, many forms of love. Love defines from above.
Two parents, one grandparents.
Family, all equal parents.
Love is what connects us all.
Family answers the call.
Now, you know family varies.
Different forms,
None scary.
love defines what family means.
Different forms for our scenes.
Concord out,
Yo, it's Concord, history great.
Heritage, you.
Why? Let me state. Ancestors shape who you are.
heritage.
Your star. Heritage comes from ancestors past. Traditions built to last. Language spoken, food at home. Heritage where you roam.
Stories from grandparents told, traditions growing old.
Holidays celebrated each year.
Heritage comes crystal clear.
Heritage, yours from the past. Traditions built to last.
Food and language, stories told.
Heritage never grows old.
Celebrate your heritage proud.
Say it strong and loud.
Mixed heritage is common too.
Many cultures make you
Ask grandparents where they lived.
heritage they've given.
Some lost heritage through time.
Rediscovering
So sublime.
heritage is yours to keep.
Don't let it
Fall asleep.
You are proud of heritage.
Keep the stories.
No leverage.
Heritage, yours from the past. Traditions built to last.
Food and language, stories told.
Heritage never grows old.
Celebrate your heritage proud.
Say it strong and loud.
Now you know heritage,
Is you.
ancestors,
Stories true.
traditions passed down through years.
Heritage.
No tears.
Concord out.
Yo, it's Concord, history great.
Don't judge why. Let me state.
Appearance tells not all. Stereotypes.
Just the fall.
Stereotypes, assumptions fake. Based on look, mistake. Person's race, gender, age. Assuming wrong.
Turn the page.
Boys can be quiet too. Girls can play rough through. Not all doctors look like dads.
Stereotypes.
Miss the vibes.
Stereotype.
Don't judge book.
By cover or looks.
Every person is unique.
Look beyond the physique.
Learn who they really are.
Every person is a star.
Get to know the real person. Talk with them, never worsen. Listen to what they say.
Break stereotypes away.
Different cultures share common.
Don't judge by where they're from.
We all have more in common than our stereotypes summon.
You can fight stereotypes.
Be open.
Don't make types.
Stereotype.
Don't judge book.
By cover or looks.
Every person is unique.
Look beyond the physique.
Learn who they really are. you know, don't judge.
Stereotypes,
No smudge.
get to know.
Each person true.
Beyond stereotypes for you.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord history great. Kindness all.
How? Let me state.
Kind to everyone we meet.
Kindness without defeat.
Be kind to kids who look different. Include them.
Not penitent.
Smile and say hello to all. Kindness answers
The call.
kids from other countries new.
Welcome them.
Be true.
Help new classmates feel at home.
Kindness everywhere we roam.
Kindness crosses all differences.
Kind hearts.
Sweet tenses.
Every kid deserves a friend.
Kindness has no end.
Include those who look different.
Kindness never repellent.
Sit with someone alone at lunch.
Kindness pack a punch.
Stand up to bullies you see.
Kindness sets them free.
Learn names, use them right.
Kindness done well right.
Different backgrounds all belong.
Kindness right and strong.
You can be kind today.
Differences fade away.
Kindness crosses all differences.
Kind hearts.
Sweet tenses.
Every kid deserves a friend.
Kindness has no end.
Include those who look different.
Kindness never repellent.
Now you know kindness rules.
All differences.
No fools.
Kind to everyone you meet.
Kindness always sweet.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord history great.
All belong.
Why? Let me state.
Every kid should feel at home. Belonging means no more roam. Belonging, feeling part of place.
Accepted with your face.
No one should feel left out.
Belonging.
What it's about. School, family, sports, and clubs.
Belonging.
No more rubs. Every person matters here.
Belonging crystal clear.
Belong everyone, right to be.
Accepted you and me.
No kid should feel alone.
Belonging feels like home.
Community opens up to all.
Belonging.
Great fall.
Include the new kid at school.
Belonging. The golden rule.
Listen to what others feel.
Belonging. Keep it real.
No bullies. Bullying hurts.
Belonging.
The cure alerts.
Celebrate our differences. Belonging.
No inferences.
You can help others belong.
Belonging.
Never wrong.
Belong everyone, right to be.
Accepted you and me.
No kid should feel alone.
Belonging feels like home.
Community opens up to all.
Belonging.
Great fall.
Now you know. Belonging's key.
Everyone fits.
You and me.
Include and welcome all who come.
Belonging.
Not just for some.